croeso I Windmill Lane, home of Llantwit Major Football Club, and today they'll be taking on Pencoed Athletic in the round 2 of the FAW Welsh Cup. Coming soon, we'll be heading live to Wales's dressing room at Cardiff City Stadium for the round 3 draw. But first, let's find out a little bit more about these two teams. So Tim, you've been here a long time at the club, haven't you? Ex-player, ex-manager and now vice-chairman. So it's been a big part of your life. So how great is it that the club have the chance to get through to round 3 of the Welsh Cup?
Oh, it's massive for Llantwit Major. To be fair, as you said, we come up through the ranks. We started off in the Amateur League, we went into the Welsh League Division 3, and then we got promoted to Division 2, and then straight away we went into Division 1. And obviously now we're in the JD Cymru South Championship, which is massive. For a little club like Llantwit Major to get to this position is absolutely superb. Yeah, really good. There's a big buzz around the town about it as well.
Brilliant. And is it fair to say that you are the favourites going into today's game?
I think we would be, yes, because where we are now, obviously we're a few divisions higher than Pencoed, so yeah, but then it's the Cup, so it's always going to be difficult, isn't it? So you never know with the Cup games, you never know.
Congratulations, you just made it through to the 3rd round of the JD Welsh Cup. You must be absolutely thrilled, and scoring a goal as well. What a way to top it off for you.
Yeah, it was a tough game today. We expected that from Pencoed. They were coming down to us on this pitch, on our pitch. It's a big game for them, and we rose to the occasion and finally found our way through the next round.
What are you expecting now from the 3rd round draw?
We'll take anyone in the next round. We got a squad year this year to surprise anyone really. As you can see in the league this year, we started well. People are noticing what Llantwit Major are doing now, and they are coming out and supporting us, which is great.
Well, what a result for Llantwit Major here today, making it through to the 3rd round of the JD Welsh Cup. But this wasn't the only match on this weekend. Here's a roundup of all the action.
Fair play to their fans, they were unbelievable today, made a real atmosphere, and yeah, it was nice to be a part of.
Well, some great results there, but it's now time for the 3rd round draw of the Welsh Cup. Live from Wales's dressing rooms at Cardiff City Stadium, ahead of this week's Cymru World Cup qualifier against Estonia.
Croeso i'r Stadiwm Dinas Caerdydd. Welcome to the Cardiff City Stadium for today's JD Welsh Cup Round 3 draw. We're here in the dressing rooms at the Cardiff City Stadium because in just 2 days' time, Wales will be playing Estonia in the FIFA World Cup qualifying match, and tickets are still available on faw.cymru/tickets. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r Team Cymru. Congratulations to the Wales team for yesterday's excellent 3-2 win out in Kazan, and we wish them all the very best of luck on Wednesday as well. So onwards to the JD Welsh Cup round 3 draw. It's an open draw, all 32 clubs. And we will start with Aberystwyth Town. So winners over Aber Valley. And travelling to Park Avenue will be fellow JD Cymru Premier outfit Kevin Druids. Next home side is Conwy Borough, JD Cymru North side. Travelling to Amorfa will be the holders, the New Saints. Winners over Llan Rwst. It's a home draw for Scott Young's, Cam Bryan and Clydach. And they will host Penabont. Next home side is Buckley Town, flying high in the JD Cymru North. Travelling to Globeway will be Monmouth Town, the Tier 3 side. So the next home draw is Cardiff Met University. Christian Edwards' team beat Pontardawe on Saturday. And travelling to Kincoed will be Barrytown United. So home draw for the Ardal Northern side, Saltney Town. And they will host Penryn Coch. Next home side is Swansea University. Winners over Caldicott. And David Evans' side will host Bangor City, the winners at Llanidloes. Trevelyan Boys and Girls Club, a Joe Clark hat-trick on Friday night. Sees them into the hat. And they will host JD Cymru champions Connors Quay Nomads. So next home draw is for Hugh Griffiths' Carnarvon Town. And travelling to the Oval, the 2013 winners, Prestatyn Town. So Craig Hogg's Colwyn Bay, home draw. Travelling to Llanellian Road, our fellow JD Cymru North side, Ruthin Town. Next home draw goes to Penricaiber Rangers. The Ardal Southern team beat Ammanford on the weekend. One of the cup shocks. And their reward is a home tie against Neil Gibson's Flint Town United. So the next home draw is for Airbus UK Broughton. And they will host Wayne Jones's Haverfordwest County. A home tie for the 2017 champions Bala Town. And Colin Caton's outfit will host Pontypridd Town from the JD Cymru South. So Newtown AFC, Chris Hughes' side, home draw. Winners over Berriew in the Powys Derby on Saturday. Travelling to Latham Park will be Carmarthen Town. So the penultimate home draw goes to Dinas Powys, an excellent win over Avon Lido on Saturday. And travelling to the Merch Fields will be Gillsfield. And the final tie at home at Rwddar is Tapswell. And they will host Llantwit Major, who beat Pencoed on Saturday. And that concludes the JD Welsh Cup round 3 draw. Those ties to be played over the weekend of the 24th and 25th of September.